Great for manicures or pedicure. Quick and easy to use, compact portable design. Battery operated. 5 interchangeable attachments included: shaping tool, precision shaper, cuticle pusher, buffing tool, emery tool. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. The Clio Plum Beauty Complete Nail Care System will save you a trip to the nail salon. It's effective, easy to use and efficient in helping you save time on manicures and pedicures at home. This great little tool is an all-in-one solution with 5 interchangeable attachments: shaping tool, precision shaper, cuticle pusher, buffing tool and emery tool. Free batteries included. Top reviews from the United States. Easy for old ladies. I can no longer reach my toenails for filing shaping. This little number gave me just the right extra length to reach them. And the extra finishing bits make filing fun, finally.